I'm going to show you how to actually build a trading bot here. So you don't get liquidated like these guys just got liquidated. Look at this, 812K in liquidation, 378K, 1 million, 1.1 million. And the worst part about this is that these are all hand traders. These are all traders like you and I that are trading with their emotions. And I can tell because we just had all of these short liquidations or long liquidations. Actually, we've had all these long liquidations this morning, 8 to 12 million. I think this one was 3.3, 4.74, 3 million. Anyways, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually build a trading bot. And, you know, I've been doing this for a long time and I have a ton of videos showing the entire process, but I wanted to make one video and put it all together. Now, don't be like me who is degen and just ran directly to building the bot. There's actually a process that I've created that now I follow to ensure that I don't do the wrong thing, which is start today and build the bot right away. No, you want to see, does that bot actually work? Does it actually work on past data? Now we're back testing, which involves coding in Python to see if the strategy that you're about to build into this bot, which is step 3, actually works in the past. Now it's not guaranteed to work in the future if it worked in the past, but it's much more likely. So we're going to do a lot of back testing and then build out the bot here at the end. And I literally show you every single step of the way. So we also built this together near the end of the training. And this is a Notion. So I'll just put this in the description below. It's the RBI process, something that I'm going to start using here. We'll see how much it sticks, but it's just showing me all these things that I was going through during this training. And you know, I make sure to implement this, make sure the risk control is implemented. How are we entering? Make sure the stop losses are this. And, you know, this is how we optimize. And this is where we research. So just a little Notion I'm going to refine, but I'll make sure there's a link for that somewhere on the website. I'll just put it at the bottom of the website. So there should be a link in the description here. And we just scroll down here. These are just testimonials. I'll put it right here. I'll put the link around here, the Notion link. Yeah, I'll just replace LinkedIn with Notion or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to actually do this and actually build a bot. But it's the third step. Just remember that. Remember this RBI, research, backtest, and then implement. You don't want to run right into the bot. You want to make sure that you have a solid strategy that you researched and then backtest. But I'll tell you everything here. Go ahead and just tap that like button and let's jump in. Today we are building some breakout bots for the Bitcoin or crypto bull run in general. So I'm not claiming that it's here or it's going to stay like this forever, but there are multiple regimes in each market. Jim Simon said there's 8 regimes in each market. So let's go ahead and build a breakout bot for a regime, assuming that it's going upwards. I'm not calling that this is going upwards. I'm just building for a regime. And if we have a bot for each and every regime, then we can have machine learning decide when to run each bot. Okay, so does that make sense? So how many? Jim and Simons says there are 8 regimes in each market. Which are those regimes and what type of strategies do we run in each regime? Okay, so today we're going to be building breakout bots, and those would be typically good for trending bull market regimes. In my opinion, okay, you can see trend following strategies for a bull market, bear market, range bound market, high volatility market, low volatility market, economic boom, economic recession, and crisis market. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to take these notes down because Simons, founder of Renaissance Technology, has often discussed the ideas of exhibiting different regimes. While Simons has not explicitly listed these regimes in the public sources, the general concept can be applied based on common market behavior patterns. Here's an interpretation of the possible regimes and types of strategies that can be effective in each. Bull market, a bear market, those are the easy ones, right? Range bound market, up and down. High volatility market. So, okay, we could use the VIX. Yeah, that's a good idea there, actually. I'm just going to note all of these down because every single day I build new stuff. And my name is Moondev. I believe code's a great equalizer. That's why I share all this information here on stream for free. I'm going to make a note called regimes, market regimes here. Market regimes, Jim Simons. Okay, let's paste it in there. These are the market regimes that we're working with. We're going to go ahead and start. Let's say, assume it's a bull market. I don't predict the markets. I just build algos for them. So I'm not saying this is a bull market. I'm just here. Just here existed. Assume it's a bull market. What type of trading systems should we build? Wishy, what's up, bro? I'm back, B. I'm back to the island, B. So it's good to be here. I'm happy to be back. I'm not up earlier. I'm up later. No, I'm up at the same time. I just get up at the same time no matter where I'm at. I'm back on the island. Yes. Okay, we have our new